I've now gone through and coded all of the content in this column, and I've got a whole load of nodes here. Now, first thing to do is we need to make sure that everything actually is named correctly. Now, going through, if we open up this one, Area Manager, I originally coded it in NVivo, as we see from this one, but after a while saw that quite a few were applicable. So this name, Area Manager, is not really applicable. So I'm going to select that, and you basically do 2 left clicks, sort of slow the difference between the two. Select it, and we'll call Fashion Manager. So there we have it. We've got that one named correctly. We also had an area called Other. If we open up Other, this is where I put jobs which didn't really come together, but there are a few things which really should not be in here. For a start, Writer. The first time I came across Writer, I thought, hey, that's a bit of an outlier, let's ignore it and put it into the other category, but it turns out we've got Writer, Copywriter, and Journalism. They're all the same kind of thing, so I'm going to just copy this Writer into Journalism. The way I do this, I can select that, right-click, Code, Selection, Code and Existing, and then just choose Journalism. Where is it? There it is, okay. Now, I don't want it in the other category anymore, so I want to right-click and uncode at this node. Now, I can say at existing nodes, and select them, but I know that it's the node we have open right now. So now it's gone. I'm going to do it again for Copywriter. So code in Journalism, right click, uncode at this node. Now we've got some other thing here which I noticed, which was Engineer. There we go. I didn't think Engineer was a particularly popular one, but it turns out it really is. Not a problem. In this section here, Nodes, right click and say New Node and type Engineer. Click OK. And there it is, there. So I can select that text there, right click, Code Selection, and Existing, Engineer. OK. Select, right click, uncode at this node. Now, I can go through and just keep on doing this and sorting out various pieces. I can also look at this and say, do any of these need to be merged together? Now, let's have a look. Fashion Director. Now, is that a one-off? It is a one-off. Now, you could actually say that Fashion Director and Fashion Designer Fashion Manager are similar. So, with this selected, right-click, cut, click on Manager, right-click and merge into selected. And that's just taking everything and merging together. So we're going to look in here, we'll see that we've got Fashion Director is part of that. So I'm going to go through now and finish off making sure all my nodes are correct and everything is in the right place.